Hi guys, I got a new game we can play. Well, I can play. Well, you can download it. You know, you see, it's called Pixel Survive, and the whole concept of this game is basically for you to just survive from demons, zombie killers. Wait a second. Sorry for that. Second paper. Bunny. That's really funny. Okay, I'm gonna wait a second. Sorry, just another distraction. I'm gonna put that right in the corner. Okay. Guess that's what we're gonna have to start with. A flimsy sword. Let's see. This house is the only house that you can rent to hold money. This is a very scheduled place. The monster will appear every night. Fortunately, many resources around this house gather. Gather resources before nightfall. Create a trap. Do not die. Would survive. Good luck. What? That's not what? I don't get that. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's good. Good. Come on, leave mine in. Five hours remaining already. What the heck? That's quick. 3 hours remaining already. What the heck? Oh god. I hate this. Gonna have to fight with my sword now. Craft me. I need more wood. Show me. Oh boy. Let's go. You wanna go, people? I would appreciate if you didn't do. Don't stop. Don't. Yeah. Anything else more than a rat gonna fight me now? Come at me, little rat rodent. Let's go. Honey, that's my first one. Good. Let's go. Come on, dear. Break open. Come on. Can't do this by myself. Whatever, I think it's done. Mine. There we go. Can I chop this tree down? Why am I not able to chop the tree down? Let me chop the tree down. What if I told you I didn't want that there? Oh, like a chest. Open. Stuff. I got stuff. Cool. Gear and everything. Oh, this seems so easy. I would feel it down my gut. Okay. Okay, there we go. 5 hours remaining. Yes. Let me create another wall. Like it's right here. Bam. Ooh, landmine. Am I? Yeah. Haha. I just got all the stuff I can build. Ha. I'm getting smarter and smarter by the second. Yeah. I don't see. Come on, you want to go, bugs? This is the upgrade junk. Oh, nasty. Oh, I'm 100%. Oh yeah, whatever. Might as well. Sucker, he died. Yeah, keep dying. Yum. Country. We're all dying. Idiots they are. Hi. Has anyone died over here? No, I'm not dead over here. Wait, I think there might be someone down over here. Oh, no, it's always the same. They broke it open. Come on. Sucker. Oh, getting some coal. Whoa. Gotcha. Let me skip this. Okay, sorry. That was just distraction. Let's go here and here. Whippity dip. Ooh, yeah. Let's see what we can craft. Oh, dang it. Oh, God. Ooh, I need another tree. Come here. Yes, thank you. Yes. There we go. Yeah. Go shut up. Let me. I want to break this tree down. Oh my God. Yeah, right. Let's go. Yep. Let me craft the wall over here. Put it right there. Oh boy. It's happening. Stuff is happening. Run. Run! Yeah. Don't get off me. It's gone. Stuff happening over here? Yeah. Jump. I'm just kidding. Jesus, they're all getting the other side now. I have you all cornered. Oh boy. What if I told you I could do this? I'm gonna play the little daybreak. Good for you. Okay. Got it, sucker. Okay. Still, make it 1 more minute, 2 more minutes. I have to. Should I risk it? Yes. Run. God. Yes. Good. Yeah. keep mine. Yep, we got it. We got it. We got it. Yep. Let's see what we can build. Look at all this stuff. Whoa. I don't have enough time. Dun, 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 boring. I feel like I got a random box. I wonder what this is. Hey, look, it's turning night. Time for spooky stories. Ooh. Why don't you shut up? Probably not the best thing to say. So don't come. And like that. Oh! Come on, come on. Sucker. I've got it all worked out. Even though I really don't. Come on, come on, come on, go. Come on, go, Bob. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. You don't. Oh, that dime scared me. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, you do your thing. You do your thing. You do your... you broke it, you little rat? Little rat broke one huge mechanical freaking explosive. Come on, I got that. I got the lower ground. Probably something I shouldn't say. Ah, they broke the other side. But whatever, today I'm gabbing. I have a shorter span. Okay, I need to do that. Oh wait, I don't have it. Whatever. Trap is trap. Let's go. And I need some fire. Wait. Okay, whatever. No logic in that, but who cares? Wait a second. Sorry about that. Someone's checking me. I should really heal up. He's saying Rain suck. Oh my god. Oh my god. No 1 hour remaining for this big thing. It's done right. Yep. No. I don't know what set this on from. Oh, I hate you! God, that scared the absolute dinkles out of me. Yeah, you shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Get away from me, you mushroom. Shut up, shut up, shut up. Get away. That sucked. I only had one more to kill him. Well, I hope you liked this video. This game's actually really fun. I suggest you play it. I'll probably do another episode of this. I don't know.